It's time for another TST video. Today, we're going to look at a few things that are a result of TST support working with the Visi development team. We're going to take a look at a few different enhancements that are going to provide a quick visual aid for undercut shading, accessibility shading, and draft analysis. These are going to really help us when we're trying to decide maybe how many setups we need with Undercut. We can show the areas of concern here that maybe are otherwise easily missed. Some are more obvious, some are a little harder to see. We can affect the top color, bottom color, and vertical color, and also give it an angular range. 90% of what we're going to do is going to use the undercut shading. The accessibility shading is kind of an additional check on the cam side for different setups. Okay. The draft analysis can help give us an idea of the different radiuses that we're going to encounter. We have a range that we can affect numerically and the colors. We can also designate the number of ranges, or we can turn off the color bar as well. This can help us pre-plan setups, machines, and tooling. Let's take a look at another example. In this example here, we can see it's going to give us some really good indications as maybe to what type of tooling or tapered tooling we need to use. If you're finishing with this a 5-axis maybe, can help us decide what we need to order for tooling. If we are going to pull this job off the machine, we can turn this on and really see where we need to focus in on inspection before we pull that. Again, this is going to work off of the work plane. So we can also rotate the work plane if we need to, and it live updates, as you can see here. It's a quick and easy way to get that visual aid that we sometimes need. If you like what you see and need a little more help, please think about having us on site or web training. Our engineers are out-of-the-box thinkers and can really shed some light and get you out of that tunnel vision. For those day-to-day questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to us by submitting a support ticket online or emailing us at support@tst-software.com. You can also visit our website. If you have any more questions on any of the solutions we offer, please get a hold of us, 248-922-9293.